Movies give us permission to feel anything we want, to cry when we want, to laugh. You don't just go there to sit back and eat popcorn. You go there for the story.
When I saw The Champ, it was like seeing my life story played out. It really got to me emotionally. It had such a devastating outcome that I was so glad my parents kind of got along. I totally relate to what that kid was going through.
Movies make me laugh, make me cry, make me hurt, make me angry. That quote from Akeelah and the Bee, it just tells me, how dare I? How dare I not get up every morning and try and find a way around those obstacles in my life? That movie changed my life.
The movie that evokes the strongest emotions for me is The Color Purple, and especially when Celie comes to the door and she sees her children. That reunion resonates with me because when I divorced my ex-wife to begin my journey as a gay man, I had to leave my children. It's what I had to do. It moves me to the point of tears every time I watch it because it touches on that feeling of hope and that there's good in everyone and that it's all going to end up fine in the end.
When I was 8 years old, my father asked me to sit and watch Death of a Salesman. My father was a very stoic guy, and through the course of that, and I really became kind of amazed because the tears were streaming down my father's face, and I had never seen him cry before. I saw my father transported into that place of sadness and that place of tragedy. It's been 48 years. The power of that has stayed with me to this day.
Well, as we saw in that piece, movies can move you. They can be therapeutic because every problem you can imagine is portrayed in movies. And one of the most important things, as those participants mentioned, you don't feel alone because you watch a movie and maybe a character is going through the same problems you've gone through. It's truly amazing.
Yeah, but what about a good funny movie? You know, good comedy, you know, just laughing through a movie can make you feel so good. One of my favorite recent movies, The Hangover. You know, I laughed so hard, and you come out of that feeling so good. You know, laughing releases endorphins in your body. That's your body's kind of natural feel-good hormone. It can help with a lot of things, especially, you know, chronic pain. You know, and then just the direct effects of laughing, it increases your breathing, increases your oxygen use, increases your heart rate, all really good stuff.
There is a study that's shown that mothers actually get a benefit from going to movies and laughing. They get higher melatonin in their breast milk, and that melatonin actually increases, you know, allergy resistance in babies.
Very cool.
Well, how about escaping in a good action movie? I think it does stimulate a little bit of adrenaline, which may be good, and maybe a little testosterone, too.
And Dr. Gary Solomon, he actually wrote a book about how movies can improve your health. It's called The Motion Picture Prescription. And if you're interested in this, check it out. And the great news is everyone in the audience is going home with their own copy.